For this third episode, Tao and Capucine will go to Beijing to meet their friend Bastien on the Great Wall. Are you ready? Let's go!
In Beijing, our two accomplices find Bastien. Tao tells him about their adventure, and together they head to the hidden kitchens of the Great Wall. In a cloud of red smoke, the book reveals a third recipe: strawberry glazed duck biscuit. Our young pastry chef prepares the ingredients: butter, sugar, flour, strawberries, eggs.
We're going to enjoy this, guys.
Tao and Capucine put on their aprons, and the children begin cooking.
What do you think the next leg of the journey will be?
At this moment, something incredible happens on the countertop. The sugar and the flour mix on their own, forming the shape of an old Chinese city.
It must be the old city de Linzong.
Bastien offers the travelers a ride on the back of his friend, a giant panda.
Safe travels, my friends, and see you soon.
You just listened to the third episode of The Mystery of the Yellow Dragon. See you soon for the rest of the adventures of Tao and Capucine. In the meantime, I invite you to discover the videos of the recipes. If you like the story, do not hesitate to like the video, to talk about it around you, and to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media, and if you want to get our book, go to amoureusedunetarte au citron.com. See you!